In basketball, all three energy systems are essential for a high level of play. In this offensive possession, we can see how Steph Curry uses all three energy systems, the Atp-pc system, the anaerobic glycolysis system, also known as the lactic acid system, and the aerobic system all in one play. It is key to note that all three energy systems are always in play, but one is usually more dominant than the others, dependent on the duration and intensity of their activity. As he jogs up the court, he is using very minimal effort, and his most dominant system is therefore the aerobic system. This system uses oxygen and has an unlimited duration, but is only limited by the depletion of fuel sources. Although this system is not too common in the play of basketball, it is essential for recovery and for continuous play throughout the game due to its unlimited duration. We'll see this system in action again later. As he goes into his dribble moves to try and go past his defender, he uses quick bursts of energy from the Atp-pc system. He chases after the ball after he nearly loses it, and passes it back out, and sprints to the open court but cannot get the ball back because the defense is guarding him closely. In basketball play, the most dominant system for the players will be the Atp-pc system due to the high intensity and demands of basketball. This energy system requires about 2 minutes or more to fully recover. It uses 95% to 100% of effort and includes explosive movements such as accelerating and running up and down the court, changing directions, rebounding, and playing defense. It is fueled by CP and limited by CP depletion, and it lasts for about 1 to 10 seconds. In this part of the possession, Steph Curry waits to let the play develop on the other side of the court so that he is not rushing into a spot that isn't open yet. And, as well as that, he is using valuable time to recover from his quick bursts from sprinting. When the Atp-pc and anaerobic glycolysis system are dominant, they release PC and lactic acid, but when the aerobic system is dominant, it can replenish these energy stores that improve the recovery times for those energy systems. The more efficient the aerobic system is, the quicker the removal of lactic acid and CP replenishment. Steph Curry's training ensures his aerobic system is very efficient so that he can play basketball at a higher standard. As his aerobic system is more efficient at replenishing Atp-pc stores and removing lactic acid, allowing him to perform more maximal efforts throughout the game. Even though he is only resting for 5 seconds, it is necessary for a small recovery so that he can sprint with all his remaining effort to get open on the other side of the court. However, because he has had insufficient time to recover, his Atp-pc system isn't dominant when he sprints, but the anaerobic glycolysis system is. This system is for efforts with 85% to 95% of intensity and lasts about 10 to 90 seconds. It is fueled by carbohydrates and is limited by lactic acid. When he gets the ball back, he comes to a complete standstill and returns to the aerobic system and throws a small pump fake so that the defender jumps past him. Since he's been sprinting without enough time to recover, when he shoots, his anaerobic glycolysis system is dominant.